Greetings from Dr. Rekha. In today's health topic, we will discuss about a fat burning drink. It has been a request from many of you that I talk about weight loss and home remedies for weight loss. So here it is, a fat burning drink. This drink is not only useful for persons who have obesity, but it can also help persons who are suffering from PCOD, cholesterol imbalance or hypothyroidism. The drink is very simple. It has only 3 ingredients. So let's see what are the 3 ingredients. The first ingredient is Garcinia cambogia. It is called as Vriksha Amla in Sanskrit. In Tamil it is known as Kodampuli. So this is the first ingredient. The second ingredient is horse gram, Kulatha, or it is known as Kollu. And the third ingredient is dry ginger powder or sukku or shunti in Sanskrit. So we will see the qualities of these 3 ingredients. So we will understand how this drink works. So the first ingredient, Garcinia cambogia, it is one of the main ingredient in all Ayurveda preparations which are meant for slimming or which are meant for reducing the obesity. Garcinia cambogia or Vriksha Amla possesses qualities to reduce the kapha, and it also possesses qualities to reduce the cholesterol in our body. The next ingredient, which is Kulatham, it is hot in potency, so it will melt down the kapha in our body and it also melt down the fat or medas. So this Kulatha also possesses qualities to break down the kidney stones, and it also possesses qualities which help to reduce the cholesterol levels. And the third ingredient is shunti powder or sukku powder. So this shunti is very good for digestion. So most of the time what happens is a person who has obesity also suffers from indigestion problem, bloating problem. So this sukku or shunti helps to detoxify. It helps to improve the appetite of the person. The Kaya Agni or the digestive fire is improved by taking shunti. So it is one of the main ingredient in our drink. So now let's see how to prepare this drink. To prepare this drink, it's very simple. You have to take a small piece of kodampuli, wash it. You have to take 1 teaspoon of horse gram. You have to soak the horse gram and kodampuli in boiling water, 1 glass of boiling water. After pouring the boiling water, you have to cover it with a lid and let it rest overnight. In the morning, you have to add 2 additional glasses of water to the mixture, and you have to boil the 3 glasses of water along with the kodampuli and horse gram in low flame for at least 10 minutes. So after boiling for 10 minutes, only 1 glass of water will remain. This has to be filtered, and to this filtered extract, you have to add 2 pinches of dry ginger powder. So this drink can be consumed in empty stomach. You can have this drink 4 to 5 times per week on empty stomach. I strongly advise that persons who have gastritis or persons who have excessive menstrual flow avoid taking this drink. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel to encourage us. Thank you.